Attention all douchebags. Listen up.
You ain't got big balls like a truck. What? Are you fucking kidding me? That guy's got balls hanging on the back of his truck.
Where? Oh shit, you know what that means.
Rolling in your pickup truck down the streets of Beaver Creek. Got balls hanging from the bed. No need for show and tell, you geek. Newsflash, Douchey Ball Sack Man. Your game is looking pretty bleak.
Oh snap.
So scoop them up and tuck them in and go back to your mama's house. These guys who overcompensate are sleeping on the couch.
Virginity.
You know, 97% of guys who drive trucks are assholes.
And that's a fact.
That's a fact.
These nutties ain't be raisins. These nutties be
King Kong.
I wish you'd take a pointer here and go return that thong.
Banana
How
hammock.
much was that plastic sack? I hope you got it cheap. You should be saving all your money for implants on those tiny little...
Radio edit.
Thinking you're a manly man with your manly auto sack. But hey, Ed Hardy called.
He wants his fucking wardrobe back.
We don't mean to hate on you. Don't think it's an attack. You need to smell what I'm stepping in, cause your shit is
Whack.
You say you got big balls like a truck, but we say not a chance. If you gotta put some on the back of your truck, you ain't got none in your pants.
Pants.
You ain't got big balls like a truck. You ain't got big balls like a truck.
Big balls. I like her.
We can see your junk on the back of your truck. Oh shit, your boss just blinded me. You ain't got big balls like a truck. What? You ain't got big balls like a truck. What? You ain't got big balls like a truck. What? You ain't got big balls like a truck. What? You're a virgin who can't drive.
Brittany Murphy.
What are you, a squirrel? Put those nuts away.
Douchebag squirrel.
You ain't got big balls like a truck.
I really do like her.
SugarJerk.